Today it's Monday, August 25th, 2025, and these are the parts from the E63. The guys, they clean the cross member, the steering rack, engine mounts, AC compressor there, power steering pump. Be careful with the reservoir. Here they prepare the area, they wash it, they're washing it currently. Alright, carefully. And I actuate the starter. It's okay, just only the gear, it's not retracting back fast. It's stuck a little bit. I'm gonna open it, I'm gonna clean it, grease it up. And here I have also the alternator. We're gonna see the bearings and the brushes. Let's go to see the diff. Here we have the diff. Omar, he brought it back from the machine shop. They unpressed the pinion. Alright. I was watching the bearings. I removed the bearings. This is the seam that has on the rear bearing. Yeah, I don't like that much this line, to be honest. On the seam. Yeah, alright, fine. Now, this one's the front one, the small one, this is the rear one. What's the... I'm gonna show you also the bearing itself. See how that looks like. This was the one that was making sound. This was not making sound, or at least not that much like this one. And then I have this one. I haven't cleaned it yet. That it's disaster. You know what? Wait. Let me wash also this bearing. Extract also this bearing. Prepare the pinion. I want to check the flange because it went. Is it now the table or is the... We're gonna see about that, because they force it, they apply 15 tons to come out. It was stuck like the previous one. Let me put it inside the engine room to see the bearings again. Back inside of the engine room, I have unpressed the pinion bearing, okay. Yeah, it gets deformed a little bit from the press, obviously, it's for scrap after all. Alright, this is the front one, this is the rear one, the big one, this is the flange, the yoke. Alright, now, after all this pressure, if you watch the previous video with the diff, you'll understand what I'm showing here. After all this pressure, it bent. Yeah. And obviously, they don't have any headache, we're gonna get a new one or a used one. Alright, then I have the housing over there, I have the pinion, I have the most parts here. These are the old races, here are the new bearings, the seals, and so on. I didn't wash for final the housing because I have to make one small adjustment for clearance when it comes to the wave track. I haven't brushed with the wire wool the pinion. Alright, let's just remove the oil, the seam, the other seam for the bearing. I have to check this one. Alright, the other diff, one diff is there. This for the E63 with the wave track. The other one's over there with the LSD, the P31. Fine. So one's here, one's there. And the bearings that I showed you on the previous one are these. And I have it here in a nylon bag. That I destroy them, and I have it now only as a spacer, adapter to press the bearings or whatever. These are different. This belongs to the E63 over there. Now, forget about. I'm gonna open also the rear one because it has some wear, but nothing compared to the front one. The front one was the one that was screaming. All right, this is the front, the race. What I was saying, yeah. The rear one. As you see the car, this is the rear one. That's the race, the outer race for the rear one. It will gonna produce some sound, but nothing like this. This is toasted. Alright, let me go to cut open this. I don't care about the washer. Let's cut also this one. Come back again inside to see it, and then this and this and this goes back to the customer. Why I have still zoom in? Let me zoom out. There you go. One cut here, one cut there. Let's open it. Let me get one straight screwdriver, one flat screwdriver to separate it a little bit easier. There we go. This is the rear one. Yeah, you can see the wear. But once again, that was not the cause of the screaming. This is the smoking gun here. Let's have a look. Okay, forget about this. This I grind it together. No worries. But there are also more that the rest are worst. Okay, let's have a look. How does it look like? All right, clear enough. That's it. That was one update for the bearings. For the rest of the parts, the guys that are washing outside, and we are standing by. I need also a yoke. Yeah, dang it. Yeah. All right, fine. That's it for now. Thank you very much. Small update. Like I said, I'm preparing. By the way, I'm preparing also. What I did, I went and I get the other cam adjusters from the other E63, the one that we purchased, to open them also, to see if it needs also these plates. But this I'm going to prepare them for us. If it comes anybody in the future and he needs a plate, I'm going to have already cam adjusters with the nylon, with the oil, everything, bam, bam, put it in, to don't have to wait about anything. Then I have the valve housing from the E63, from the same car with the cam adjusters, because the other one had the scoring inside. We're gonna see that later in the future video, not now. And the cam adjusters, I put them here. I haven't changed yet the plates for the other E63 with the wave track, like I said. The two intake camshafts here, the pulse wheel over there, the old one, the new one over there, and so on. Fine, we're gonna stay at this point until I get the parts. Fine. Thank you, over and out.